This video is about me doing a twist out on my natural hair using Mane Like Me products.
Shorty bad, slim, big, she might drug, she might fix, and I'm all up in her mix. She be mixing with the wrist, she the plug, she finesse, she the one they call the god. She don't stress, she don't trip, and she fuck with all my bros.
So I am going to be starting off using their 10-in-1 Mane Revitalizer. It is a spray and I do love that because it can apply more easier that way. It is for all hair types and textures. All of their products are. It moisturizes, conditions, and also softens your hair as well. It is good for twists or locks, braids, cornrows, wash and goes as well. So I do love that you can do any hairstyle. Most of the majority of the hairstyles that I do. So as you see, I am rubbing this revitalizer throughout my hair. And also I'm going to be using the hair and scalp oil. It contains no parabens, no sulfates, petrolatum, no silicones, no mineral oil, and some other ingredients as well. And it's also gluten free. So I am going to be parting my hair so I can go ahead and start my twist out. So I'm going to be using the Mane Like Me moisturizing hair pudding, and it smells so lovely. I love the way that it smells. So the consistency is very thick, so a little does go a long way, but I do apply a good amount so that way I can make sure that my hair is very moisturized. So I'm going to be using my Tangle Teezer and just take all of the tangles out of my hair. It makes my hair smooth and also get rid of all the tangles. So I am going to be twisting my hair as I normally do. So for this next step, I am using these slide-in clips, and it did come at 80 count at my beauty supply. It was like $3.99, but I'm using this so that way my roots can actually lay down flatter and it won't become puffy. And I realized that it did elongate my hair as well. Make sure you have water next to you because your hair do get dry. You want to make sure that your hair is extra wet when doing a twist out so that way your curls can clump together and form better as well. So now I am done with my hair. This is how my hair looks from the back. So now I'm going to be sitting under my hooded dryer. Now that my hair is all dry, I am going to be taking the clips out first. I have so many clips to take out, y'all, so just bear with me. But I sat under the hooded dryer for about an hour and a half, and so this is my completed look. So now I'm going to be unraveling my twists. So as you see, my hair is very defined and also shiny, and also, I don't know if you can see it, but it's very moisturizing. So this product is actually doing what it says it does. So I do love that, and I do love the fact that it brings great shine as well. So this is my hair with one side twisted out, and then also here's the other side. I did untwist them all, and my hair has great definition, y'all. This is so lovely. I love the results. So I'm just going to be unraveling my twist, no specific way. As I was separating my twist, I did realize that it did separate naturally. I didn't have to force anything. So that just actually shows how much moisturization I do have in my hair. So I am going to be using my pick only at the roots. So I'm just going to be lifting my hair up so that way I can get great volume. So y'all, I am so in love with this hair product. I love the great definition that it brought, and also it just feels so awesome. So yes to the Mane Like Me. Let me do a little quick spin around for y'all. Bam. So anyway, this is the results that it brought. I really hope you guys enjoyed this video. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and also comment, and also share if you like. And God bless.